we see a high volume bar here this morning. I jumped to market. I don't know if it's going to be well, let's just see. Might end up going up for a while. This bar outweighs this bar here. Highest red and highest blue. Highest blue bar now is on the chart. Looking at a fake out around the pivot points, what I was looking at. Two P target, well, 1P target from here is 55.74. Don't want to take a hit here. Fridays are kind of tricky. You want a quick moving market. Alright, so then we have this target that's a 1P target, makes a new low. Go ahead and protect 3 ticks here. Really don't want to see 5600 again, at least until it runs. Get through the low, see how far we can come down. 3P target. If it does want to run, I want to catch the GAN signal. This is a 3P target right here at 55.17. But the GAN signal will be 54.70. So if it does want to go, and that's above the low, I believe. The low is of the week. Let me just double check that low of the week again. 50. No, it's not. That's not going to work. 54. I might just take us out here too. All right, can we get lucky here? Get through the low. 50. The 70 is not where I want to be. We'll figure that out in a minute. Alright, made 1P target, protect 5. Alright, so we want to come off the 70, 54.70. The low of the week is 54.82, looks like. 54.85, excuse me. 54.85 is the low of the week. And the closest we can be to that is 54.89. So we are going to go 55.17. We're going to go with a 3P target. 55.17, a 3P target on a Friday. Next target down, if we can get it, is 45. So a 2P target right now will be 45. Heard me in the background fighting some idiot. I'm sitting here fishing, and this asshole comes and attacks me. World PvP. I know you probably don't even give a shit about all that, but just minding my own business, fishing, doing nothing other than fishing. Dickhead decides to attack me. He didn't figure it out that I'm pretty strong though. So I called him a dick, and then I started attacking him, and then I ran away because another guy came out of the woodwork and started attacking me back. I gotta figure out where I was. I've actually found a nice spot to So I just mind my own business, fishing, and Fricker comes out of nowhere and starts attacking me. That's what happens when you're on World PvP, though. Need to find a better place than this. Found a beautiful spot. Now I can't figure out where I was. I think it was right here. Just falling behind the the lower highs right now. Trying to take as much on the Friday as I can. All right, we're going to move for a 2P target now. I'll be 45, 55, 45. Let the market be friendly today and go lower low for a while. On Friday, it'll have the market sometimes has a tendency to run the lows and the highs. So if there's not any momentum behind a down move, then it'll fortunately it'll go all the way up to the high. It'll go high low or low high. Hopefully I'll go back and retest that low and go through it. Alright, let's move to 17 if we can get it, just because of the risk tolerance. Go 21. It's still above the weekly low. Go ahead and protect 88 now. Goes back there. Goes back there, it's going to go through it. In fact, let's go ahead and protect 87 now. You'll watch me minimize my charts after this trade's over on a Friday. So it either wants to go through that low or not. Hopefully it'll have a lot of power and come down for a bit. Get a nice little run here going towards the low of the week. Alright, so let's go off of 86. It's like, what do we not want to see? I don't want to see it run back up here. 83 plus 3, that's okay. We'll go with that. We'll go with the blue line, try to catch the 200 bar SMA here. And try to follow behind it if it'll let us. Until our target. Our target is a 3P target, 55.17. So I'll take 17 or 45 if it'll give it to me. All right, let's go ahead and get on the 200 bar now. If it doesn't break through, it's going to come up quickly. It might break through and then come up quickly anyway if it doesn't go far enough low. Let's take as much as we can here. A Friday, man, you throw out all your rules. Market does crazy things. Just hoping that there's a, I'm going after the weekly low. What am I looking for? Let me pull my hourly chart over here. Here's your weekly low right here. So we're trying to get a little bit above that area and above the S1. So it's definitely doable if it wants to run a little bit. If not, we'll just take what we can and move on to Monday. It's been a long time since I had a 3P target. Could today be my day? Could today be the day? No, doesn't look like it. Trying to come off that low. Maybe that'll hold. Or this double bottom going to hold here and go up now. And we get through it. Come on now. We got 21 ticks. Got a favorable fill there, it looks like. 1P target today was 28. So you see that 1P over there. And it didn't go down past, it didn't go to 2. 2 would have been 45. So I protected as best I could. So what could happen right now is this could be the low, and it could go after the high now. On a Friday, it had a tendency of hitting both of it in an indecisive market. Plus, we have that drone thing that happened when we shut down a drone or whatnot, or some kind of something or another in Iran. So there's a little bit of tension in the world, obviously. So what I did is I used this high volume bar to go short on a Friday. I got involved in it right after I saw it at the pivot point. And I was able to take out, well, I think I did about as good as I could on that trade. Even if it does fall, go my way, I don't really want to see it. You know, after it comes back down here, you really wanted to see it. Honestly, what I wanted to see at that point is to come on down. But what we saw is a double bottom. And does it go all the way back up here to the high? I don't know, but I'm not going to sit around and try to figure one out when I have profit on the table on one contract trading, and I'm pulled myself out of the abyss on the last couple of trading days, give myself some breathing room into next week. All right, that's going to do it for me today. Believe it or not, I'm going to be enjoying the rest of my day. I'm going to sit here and fish some more. Wow. And just relax, man. Relax in July. That's kind of the goal. Even if it goes down to my target, you know, the only way I could have stayed in this trade, honestly, is if I was trading a second with a trailer. All right, talk to you later. This is Dave, not here from 123 Day Trade. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. We'll see you on the next video put together. Bye for now.